Hi, welcome to the Staking channel. Today we're going to be discussing Enjin, their recent migration to Polkadot from Ethereum, and the way you could stake the ENJ token for crypto passive income. I appreciate all of you that have supported me so far this year through my journey developing this YouTube channel, doing lots of research. As you can see, over 97% of you that watch my videos don't subscribe. All I want from you this holiday season is a subscribe and a like. All right, so Enjin has been around since 2017 and has launched over 200 million NFTs on Ethereum. Those are all being migrated over, and we'll get to that in a second. This project gives you everything you need to create, launch, and administer user-friendly Web3 games, gaming assets, apps, along with integrated NFTs into any type of technology. So if you are a creator or a developer, you want to come here, this is the hub. We're going to get into it. So let's go over here to CoinMarketCap and do a quick review. Like I said, this project's been around since 2017. If we look at their all-time token price high, we got to go to November of 2021, around the second Bitcoin peak in the last bull run, $3.85. There's their token price now, 33 cents. Their market cap is ranked 132nd. If we look at where you can purchase this token, well, it's pretty much anywhere, so take your pick. Let's go back to their website here and scroll down. So what you're going to need to start off, you're going to need a mobile wallet. So you're going to need to download this Enjin wallet, and you can get it for Google or Apple. And if we scroll down, you can scan that. It'll take you to the store and you can download it. You'll need to create a password. So it could be complex or a simple password, but you'll need to write down your seed phrase multiple times, store it in multiple places, and make sure that is secured. So we go back to their website. They also have this NFT marketplace, NFT.io. So if you want to explore, if I connect there, you can use the Enjin wallet as a browser extension as well. You can also use Polkadot.js, Wallet Connect, and the Talisman wallet. But for the point of this video, let's just stick with the Enjin wallet. All right, so if we head back over to their website and we scroll up, click on I'm a developer, you can scroll down and look at the partnerships they have, Binance, Blockchain.com, Alchemy Pay, CoinMarketCap, Microsoft, so lots of players involved in this project. The reason why these guys moved their entire existence over to the Polkadot chain, well, it's called Enjin Chain, is because of the low transaction fee and high throughput, so 5,000 transactions per second. And this is allowing users to receive their items a lot faster than they were on Ethereum. All right, so we head over here to X. We'll take a look. There they are at Enjin. And you can do a little bit more research. Like I said, they've just migrated 200 million NFTs from the Ethereum blockchain over to this Enjin blockchain, which is, quote unquote, the Polkadot parachain. And you can do a little bit more research. So if you have NFTs on the Ethereum ENJ chain, then you can migrate those over to the new blockchain. If you have ENJ tokens, I'm going to get into how you can migrate those ENJ tokens. It's fairly straightforward. You want to make sure you have those in your ENJ wallet or their Enjin wallet that I showed you. So if you don't have that, go set up that wallet and continue the video. All right, so let's head over here and discuss the migration process. So if you had an Enjin wallet previous to this migration, they took a snapshot on December 8th, so you can just quickly migrate your assets over from the wallet here. We're going to be discussing how to migrate the ENJ tokens. So let's say I had some ENJ tokens in MetaMask on Ethereum or on some other wallet. Not an exchange. You won't be doing this migration from an exchange. You're going to need to get those off an exchange and put them in a wallet, the ENJ wallet. And then you come over here and it's fairly straightforward. So once you transfer those ENJ tokens over to the Ethereum network in the ENJ wallet, then once that balance shows up, you'll have this migrate button and you'll be able to migrate. you're going to need some Ethereum to cover some small gas fees for this migration. When I did it, it was around $4, so you might just want to test it before you send some Ethereum over, or just send over a few dollars and hope that the gas fees are low at that particular moment. And it will take 24 hours for those tokens to appear on the Enjin Blockchain. And once they're on the Enjin Blockchain, you'll be able to stake those tokens. So if we head over here to the staking, it's fairly straightforward. I gave you some screenshots of the Enjin wallet. So if I go in here, so this is my wallet. I got $1.19. I brought over $4 of Ethereum to cover the gas fees. It was roughly $2.80 at the particular time to migrate some ENJ tokens. You're going to be migrating over to this EN address. So once the migration is completed, it's going to make you send it to the EF address, the Matrix chain. You're going to need to have it on the EN address to be able to stake. So it's fairly straightforward. So once the migration is completed after the 24 hours, you're going to click this migrate button. It'll light up with a check mark, and there'll be a claim button, and you hit the claim, and you'll send it to this EF address. So once it's completed, I think it took like 5 minutes to send to this EF address. Then you're going to need to teleport to the relay chain. So that's the EN address. Fairly straightforward. So as soon as it's completed going to the EF chain, then you teleport it to the EN chain. There's literally a one button. It only takes a minute or two. And once it's teleported to the EN chain, you can go into the staking section and stake the tokens. So you'll come down here and hit this stake button right here, and that will take you over to this page. And it looks like the current reward is almost 35%. So you can click on this pools right here, and it will take you over to another page. And it looks like there is a validator that is giving 37.42%. So you'd be able to choose that. If you clicked on it, it would go in to this profile here, and you'll be able to select it and choose the validator that you prefer. For staking, you only need a minimum of 1 ENJ token to stake. There are some disclaimers when you want to unstake your tokens. There will be a release stake button option. Once you have the staking set up, it'll be release stake. And if there's enough liquidity, you'll be able to unstake those instantly, so immediately, and you'll be able to get those back in your wallet. But if there is low liquidity at that particular moment when you're unstaking, an unbonding process will take effect. It will take 28 days to unbond and get those back in your wallet. So about a month if there is insufficient liquidity. If not, you'll get those back immediately. All right, so that's the end of this video. Staking the ENJ token. Hopefully this video was informative. If you have any suggestions, please leave those in the comments. I will continue researching various projects. There is a ton of crypto projects coming online. A lot are very, very new, just in their infancy, so I'm waiting to see how they develop. But I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be safe. Enjoy.